Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by positioning the roof in openings. Enter build mode and set the grid to 1 so you align precisely. Next, use the wall tool to create the exact openings where windows will sit. Delete small wall segments if necessary. Once done, switch to the roof tool and outline the roof plane and slope so window tops line up. Make sure walls are flush and the opening height matches common window sizes because accurate holes save time later. Now you place and fit the window units. Choose a window from the catalog that best matches the hole dimensions. Large frames fit wider openings, narrow frames fit tight spaces. Use move and rotate tools to position the window, nudge with 0. 5 grid increments for pixel-perfect alignment. Once positioned, tweak wall thickness and roof overhang so the frame doesn't clip into the roof. If the window sits too high or low, lower the wall base or raise the window until the sill looks natural. Finish by styling and securing the install. Add trim, shutters, or glass tint to match exterior materials and hide seams. Once satisfied, group the window and surrounding wall to lock placement, then duplicate for symmetric repeats. If you encounter clipping or visual gaps, adjust the roof slope or slightly change roof overhang. Alternatively, swap to a shallower window model that sits flush. One key troubleshooting tip. If the window still clips, temporarily change the roof height by small amounts until geometry aligns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.